i35equipment.com. This is the Terex CLB 840R backhoe loader. This is stock number 13. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. If you'd like a hauling quote to your farm or job site, please fill out the form on our website and we'll look into that for you. This machine does have the full cab, cold working air conditioning, hydraulic outriggers, four-wheel drive, and the extendable dipper, also known as the Extend-A-Hoe. There go the hydraulic outriggers. First That bucket does have the 5 teeth with the weld-on cutting edge. There goes the extendable dipper. So you reach so you don't have to reposition your machine. Also gives you a little deeper digging depth. Good dig power. I'm gonna walk up here and look at this bucket and arm while he gets out, and then I'll show you the interior of the machine. Fisheye lens to give you a better view of the interior. Might be slightly distorted, but you can get a better view of what this looks like. It does have the Terex seat in it. Dual joystick controls. Here's your controls for the outrigger. Fire extinguisher there. There's your HVAC controls. Do appreciate you watching the video. I hope it was beneficial to you and look forward to hearing from you soon. Hope you have a great day.